So this week we're gonna do scratch board, or this for this project. Things that you will need. You will need your printout of your apple. I also have my cross hatching drawing that we did. I just took it out of my folder, and then your scratch board. So what I did first, I made a 2-inch grid. I know normally we do a 1.5 inch, but for this lesson I did 2-inch. We made it a little bit bigger. Just as before, we did 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. Let me get my ruler. Show you. I laid my ruler down on the edge, marked 2 inches with my pencil. 4, 6, 8, 10. Then I moved it to the bottom. I did the same thing. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Drew my lines. Took my paper horizontally or side to side and did the same thing. For this I did 2, 4, 6, 8. Make sure your ruler is on the side of your paper. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then I did the edge of the ruler, which is 12. Did it top to bottom. Drew my lines. The thing about this paper is a wax paper with a black coating on top, or ink or paint, I'm not really sure. So you have to be very careful when you draw your lines with your pencil. It can you have to be very light when you draw your lines. I'm going to show you on this scrap part. If you press down really hard, it takes up the black, and we don't want that. So if you can see, I just used my pencil right there to draw a squiggly line, and it did that. So you have to be careful when you draw your lines. It's easily scratched. I mean, you can scratch with your fingernail or anything. So you have to be very careful with this paper. All right. So I did my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. Which is opposite of my paper, but it doesn't matter. Alright, so I'm going to put it on speed mode and draw my apple as a on my grid. But also, when you're drawing this, be very careful. Do not put a lot of pressure. Light pressure, like barely. I mean, if you do this dark line, it will scratch your paper, and it'll be permanent. So draw it really lightly